One again. Marvel. Again. We gonna...
To-do list. Since I always forget everything that I want to do, especially when I have a busy day, so I've decided to write a to-do list. But normally I write it on my phone, but because I'm doing a YouTube video, maybe it can help you guys, the people that are watching. That's why I'm writing it on this book, piece of paper, on a book. So I can recommend for those people who normally have busy days or busy schedules. So you can write and just plan your day how it's going to be, because it's helpful. It's helpful for me actually, because I normally forget. So number one, to-do list. I have a lot of places that I want to go today. So because it's different places in different areas, I'm trying to put it in one space so that I don't use a lot of transport. Yeah. Okay. So number one, I'm just going to write a small detail because no one knows what I'm going to do there, so I don't want to write it like for you guys to see what I'm going to do there. No, I don't think that is important. But for you, you can write on your phone or on your book, like to-do list. If you want to do something today, you just program yourself like that so that you don't forget. So these are the places that I want to go, and depending on the time, right now it's 10:13. I'm already ready, but I don't have, like, I'm not going to go out like right now. So I'll first go to Nyarugogo, then Gisozi, then Nyarutarama, and then eat maybe. It depends on how I feel. Sometimes I don't eat at lunch. I will just eat and then go. So it's just eat maybe. And then after that, let's make a shopping list so that I don't spend a lot of money or I buy unnecessary stuff. I'll also recommend for especially girls or women, they're the ones who like shopping unnecessary stuff and spending a lot. So this is my to-do list. I'm done with it, just 4 places, but to be a whole lot of busy days. So let's go shopping list. And about the shopping list, I recommend writing even that small thing, even that
JJ, it's time to come and give a hand. For a woman is a powerful one. A woman makes everything goes right. Yes, a woman is the one.